Hi guys, Tom here with ZIC Moto Garage. Today we're going to introduce you to the Altec Products Boomerang license plate frame for your C7 and your C8 Corvette. This particular frame here that we have comes in the torch red finish, but we offer this in all the C7 and C8 colors. License plate is pretty slick, it's easy to install. It comes in a two-piece configuration. To remove the frame from the base, you just push down a little bit and it comes right out. Okay, all you gotta do is put your license plate in here, install it with the two screws that it comes with, and mount this to your car. Pretty straightforward. Once it's on your car, you take the frame, you align the top, and snap right in. And it's pretty sturdy, pretty strong, it's not coming apart. Looks pretty good. It definitely makes a difference. It looks a lot more sleek, more aggressive than the frames that come with the cars from the dealers.